Hello everyone, Kullan Patro this side. Few days ago, there are topics raised in the 9 p.m. meeting. Change is constant. Actually, you have to be changed. Change is everywhere at every moment. And if you don't change, you will die yourself. Because those who can change, they will be abolished. Initially, we know that intelligent quotient IQ, and thereafter it was told that intelligence quotient, emotional quotient is new parameter which is more required than IQ. But now one more important quotient is there, that is called AQ, means adaptability quotient. And this adaptability quotient is nothing but how you can change yourself, how you can adapt yourself in the changed situation. The world is always changing. The world is always changing, and if you don't change with the changing circumstances of this world, you have to die, you have to abolish. Darwin has told many hundred years ago that you may be so strong, you may be very intelligent, no doubt, but if you have no adaptability quotient, that is, if you don't change yourself with the changed circumstances, if you don't adapt yourself in the changed circumstances, you will die in spite of your strongness and in spite of your intelligence. So adaptability quotient is nothing but you have to change. You have to know how to change. 1 year ago, I had written a post in Facebook entitled, the name of the post was Meditation, the Pure Consciousness, the Soul. Actually, I wrote about these changing circumstances. We know that in Hindu religion there are three gods, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh, always united together and works as a unit power in the universe. But there in the post, I saw that these three lords are nothing but signifying the changing cycle, the changing cycle of this universe. That is, the universe is always changing. They are signifying, they are representing that. Brahma, the creator, who creates; Vishnu, who enjoys and rules and controls the universe; and Vishnu, who destroys the unusable rejected part. That is Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. The activity and presence of these three lords not only working in the universe, but also deeply associated in our day-to-day life, in our manners, in our behaviors, in our dress habit, food habit, in our status, in everywhere. And if you do not change yourself, if you if you are unable to update yourself, and then you will have to locked in the past. And what is past? That is dead. I mean, I am giving you example. Dinosaur was very strong animal, but he have to he have to die its existence from the earth, because it has no any adaptability to the changed world. world is always changing. If you whenever you buy a new car, it is controlled by Brahma. That is, when you are enjoying it, it is called Vishnu. And when the car is old, aged, and somewhat defective, that part is called Mahesh. Now, if you drive a somewhat defective car in the road, busy road, then you can at any moment meet with an fatal accident. So destruction and rejection is very necessary in this universe. It is always going on. Those planets who are already dead, they have to be destroyed. They have to be go to the galaxy, black hole, and it is our life. Life is nothing but changing circle. I have told in that post that the word God, God, is actually miracle match with these three God. G for generator, means who generate or create, that is Brahma. O for operator, means who operate, rules and controls, that is Vishnu or Narayana. And D for destroyer, that is who destroy the defective and rejectable part, which can create any accident or any danger. That defective and unusable part to be destroyed. So in our life, in our old custom, old status, old idea, old ideology, you have to destroy, you have to reject it. In the changing circumstances, you have to adapt the new. And if you go to my post, you will be very clear. I am sure you will be very clear what I have told there about the changing cycle. And I have also given a short post in the Facebook also, and it was in short, in a summary, I am telling you, life is always changing. Everything dead is certain, solid and fixed. On the other hand, everything alive is always changing and moving. Therefore, the more you become fixed and certain in your ideas, the more you miss life. And if you miss life, you miss God, because life itself is God. That is, you have to forsake, you have to give up your old idea, custom, everything. We have so many examples we have also seen. There are so many new type of TVs we have in our childhood we have seen, but now nowhere is there. We have seen so many models, Nokia, etc. But now all is gone because they didn't want to change, and so they have gone away, they have lost, they have dead. And that is, everything have to be changed, everyone, everything, every moment. And it is our universe, universe is always changing. Universe, every stars, every particle of this universe is not constant, is not static. Even our earth, do you know what is the speed of earth, guys? Can you anyone tell me? It is 30 kilometer per second. Can you imagine? 30 km per second. Earth is moving so fast around the sun. and it is not static. And along with Earth, we are also going on 30 kilometer per second in this universe. We are running also because we are belonging to this Earth. So everything can be changed, but changing is not changed. Changing will never be static. Changing is always will be changing, and so changing is always constant. Thank you very much. Very good night to all of you, all the new members. And I convey to all the new members, please adhere to this association. And I am guarantee you, I am telling you that you will be certainly benefited. And my special thanks to Jagannath Lalit. I am so amazed, I am so pleased with his interview. I congratulate you, Jagannath. I congratulate you. Thank you very much. I pray to God of your all success in future. Thank you. Thank you. Good night, everybody. Thank you.